All right, the Committee on Parole is called to order. Today is 12:01, Thursday, March 30th. My name is Brendan Kelsey, be chair. Along with me is Ms. Cheryl Knotts, Mr. Alvin Roche will be your panel. We have a parole revocation hearing. Staff and support is seated at DOC headquarters in Baton Rouge. Our remote location is Assumption. Is anybody in there with you? Any staff or support in there with you? Push you all mute. Would staff and support please introduce yourself?
Deputy Darla Talbot.
Okay, all right. Ready for our first case? Please introduce yourself, state your name and DOC number for the record.
Charles Farrer. My DOC number is 593-784.
All right, Charles, we're here for parole revocation hearing. I'll ask you some questions. I'll ask you some rule violations. You can plead guilty, not guilty, guilty with a statement, or not guilty with a statement. We'll ask some questions. You can respond to make a statement. You understand the process?
Yes, sir.
Can you read and write?
Yes, sir.
Do you see a parole revocation questionnaire in front of you or not?
Sir?
Do you have a parole revocation questionnaire in front of you?
No, sir.
Okay, we're gonna put it on the screen for you. Okay, did you see that? Is that your signature at the bottom?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll proceed. Charles Fair, DOC number 593784. Rule number 4, you were arrested on or about 10/10/2022 for domestic abuse, battery, child endangerment, felony. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Not guilty. All right. Number 10, you have following arrearages. Supervision fees, $819, 0 payments made to date. Processing fee, $65. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Not guilty. All right. Would you answer Mr. Knott's questions, please?
All right, Mr. Fair, tell us about number 10, your fees. According to our records, you didn't make any payments at all.
I couldn't hear you because it was echoing.
According to our records, you have not paid any fees, any payments. You made no payments. You pled not guilty.
Oh, I misunderstood him. I'm guilty of that because I ain't never made no payments.
Wow.
All right, like I talked to my parole officer and he was like, I asked him like what I was supposed to get out like on March 1st of 2023. And I was like, y'all can add it up and I'll pay everything then. And he was like, yeah, so that's why I never made the payment, but I ended up coming to jail.
All right, so then tell us why you came to jail. You were arrested for domestic abuse battery.
Yeah,
Tell us about the incident.
All right, I never put my hands on him. It was an argument. It had a fair at the school, the Cali school, and I give her some money for to give me some crawfish stew and alligator. And when she came to pick me up, she didn't have it, and we had like an argument. And when we got to the house, I left. But her sister called the police, and that's when they arrested me, saying that I put my hands on her. But when my parole officer came to talk to me, and the other parole officer came, she came to the jailhouse and talked to him too, and she told him that she overreacted and that didn't never happen. And when we went to the court, at the court, she came to court and told him that she overreacted, you know what I'm saying, and that never happened. And it was like, if anything, if I got arrested, I should have got arrested for like disturbing the peace or something, but I shouldn't have had a domestic charge. So, and that's—
She had injury.
Ma'am?
She had injury that was consistent with her story.
So they and do in court, they were supposed to throw the charges out, but they dropped it to a misdemeanor, and I go back to court May 1st for the charges for them to throw it out.
Well, how long have you been in jail?
I've been in jail 6 months.
And what's your relationship with Ms. Thibodeau?
That was my girlfriend. We have kids together.
Y'all still are in a relationship?
No, ma'am. And I still my auntie, and me and her just co-parenting and stuff. And I happen to be over there because my little girl asked me to come over. So.
So
only
you
thing-
share one child with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hear what you're saying. I understand that the, Thibodeau did, or the charges were dropped to misdemeanor charges. But your story is not consistent to what I'm seeing in the record and testimony by, some of the juveniles who were present.
Would you like to make a statement on your behalf?
Yeah, that's my statement. Like, that was really happening. It was an argument over some food and I left. I ain't never put my hands on him, man. I knew it was consequences. I knew I was on papers. I was supposed to get out March 1st. So I wouldn't get in no trouble. I was staying to myself. Only thing I was trying to do would be a supportive father to my kids. That's all. I wasn't going to no clubs. I wasn't doing nothing illegal. I was just following the rules. I'm heartbroken right now that I missed my opportunity on March 1st to getting off parole behind some foolishness that I didn't have nothing to do with.
All right, thank you. Now prepare to vote, Ms. Renata.
Now, I find, Mr. Fair guilty of violating condition number 4. Condition number 6 up to date.
Mr. Roche.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Fair,
Yes,
based
sir.
on the evidence that was presented, I find guilty violating condition number 4, and you pled guilty to condition number 10. Therefore, I'm going to revoke your supervision.
All right,
So,
you have 2 votes to revoke. Also, I'm going to vote to revoke your parole for the same reason. Say the 3 votes to revoke. Today, your parole's been revoked. Good luck to you. It's 12:08. We'll adjourn at Assumption. Thank you.
so I have a question for y'all before y'all go.
What you got?
So my parole is my parole till 2026. How much time I have to do?
Oh, they'll get with you and let you figure it out. We don't figure out time. They'll let you know.
You'll be able to reapply for another hearing.
Yeah, you'll be able to
Before then.
reapply. All right. Good luck to you.